You wouldn't want to use your scarf like this and like this. Now let's try this arc out. If your material is as long as mine, I advise you fold it into two to achieve this. Now come to the front and knot the edges like twice is fine. You are done knotting right. Now cross it right to left, left to right, direct it to your head like that. Can you see what I did there? Just watch and follow my steps and we're going to arrive at the same result. Now, I dropped that one that I'm bringing from the front. I raised the one that I have at the back like this and I direct it forward. What is next for me now is to arrange all arrangeables, adjust all adjustables, and I'll have a perfect scarf day. What we say about this and the previous ones I showed you, I hope you can see the styling perfect, right? So look at my shade. Which one will you go for? The first one, second one, or the third one? Which one do you like most with this scarf day? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in my next one. Bye.